お姉ちゃんはモデルだ。メジャス。Ay, may tagpa rito. O, paano guys? See you to the next to the moon. Aura vida. Ay, ano ba yan? Diba? Aura lang. Alam nyo ba? Tanoshi yun. Punto ni Tanoshi. Pero yung talagang sasabihin ng iba dyan, siguro, wala tayong magagawa sa sasabihin. Sabihin siguro na, parang may sayad tong babae. Parang baliwa. Ang daming mga kalukuhan. Pero para siyang may something na. Hindi kaya meron tong something sa isip niya. May mga ganyan talagang bagay. Pero, the most important is you enjoy to yourself. And you are enjoying what are you doing. And of course, you still learning from yourself even you are getting old. It's true na mas mainam nang i-enjoy mo yung sarili mo, i-enjoy mo yung mindset mo, tambay-tambay ka, isipin mo may kausap ka. It's part of life. Because time will come, wala ka nang makakausap. Kaya, ang maganda dyan for me is to talking and learn a lot. Even I don't have this one and this one. The most important is I'm talking to myself. At ang iniisip ko lang ay kausap ko rin si Papa God. Halimbawa, barkada kami ni Papa God. Papa God! Thank you for visiting me here inside at my car. You know what, Papa God? I have a lot of story to tell you that you are part of my journey. And yes, of course, Papa God, without you, I'm not here. And I know to myself that I'm not perfect, but you are always teach me how to be perfect like you. And yes, Papa God, I know the struggle of life that you wake me up na matuto palalo at mag-isip ng tama sa sarili, para sa sarili. And thank you, Papa God, because dinadamayan mo ako sa lahat ng pagsubok ng aking buhay. Thank you. Chup chup. Love you, Papa God. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye na at ako'y magluluto ko pa. Bye bye. Bye bye na ha. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Subasagun gamba tene. Kyutsuki tene. Koen mo. Daiji. Asonde mo. Daiji da kedo. Koen to ka. Mawari to ka. Kyutsuki ne, shiranai hito ga ippai iru dakara, kyutsuki ne, honto ni yononaka wa, ima wa, doko demo, doko no kuni datte, honto ni abonei dakara, ichiban wa kyutsuki ne. Ja, mata ne. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. Chup chup.